The State Legal Metrology Department, responsible for regulating the weights and measures across various sectors, has come under scrutiny for its limited visibility in safeguarding consumers from malpractice during the purchase of goods, fuel and other essential commodities. In response to these concerns, Legal Metrology Minister Sanbor Shulai had a review meeting on the 5th of December with department officials, including Additional Secretary Aldialin Nikla and other officers. Speaking to the media after the meeting, Sanbor Shulai said the department has only 13 inspectors to cover the entire state, a shortage that has created significant operational challenges. He said the government would explore ways to strengthen the department to ensure better enforcement. He further expressed concern that despite widespread irregularities in petrol pumps, shops and other establishments, the department has not penalized any violators since 1972. The minister has given the department 60 days to submit a detailed report on the matter.
This will be the second review meeting, right? Which we had along with all the officer of the legal metrology department to revamp and to review the functioning of the department. So first of all, the requirement of the department is, you see, in the entire state of Meghalaya, we are having only 15. 13. Only 13. 13 inspectors in the entire state. So there was so we have discussed to enhance the structure of the staff. So we have to leave it to the wisdom of our as chief controller of the department and the director with the consent to examine, and we will place it next in the meeting. We approve and send it to the government. So how many required in district headquarter wise, we have suggested maybe in place of one assistant, another 8 up to 10 district headquarter wise. So now, as per the report, this is very important department in connection with day-to-day life of the people at large, especially in the be it the cement or the petrol or the diesel or the eatable items that the people are buying. So when we ask from the department, since the inception of our state 1972, how many cases has been penalized? How many cases has been detected? Have you penalized? How many of them? But the report is very negative. So that's why we have decided, and we are giving the department 60 day time to submit the status report. 60 days time, the status report. So other things which we have discussed is that the officer in the field, the inspector in the field, they should be very sincere, and from tomorrow they should go and check at their level with due consultation with the controller of metrology and the director. We do consultation, so they have to go. And the chief controller, I have entrusted her and director of the department from which trade shall they start. Maybe they will start from the petrol pump, then after that the weight bridge and other trade, subsequently other trade. So all these things, they have to submit the report within 60 days. There are only few. Whereas where we know based on the public complaint, we know that in the entire state, if they are sincere, if the officer, I have given even an example that one Hindi movie acted by Anil Kapoor, one day ka chief minister. One day chief minister. See what happened if you watch this film. Within one day, he have cancelled thousands and thousands of, and he have even suspended his officer, then and there, in the spot. So that's why I have given the encouragement, and I have appealed. We have appealed to them also to be sincere, and from tomorrow they have to walk in the field. That's what we are very surprised to know that as per the record, since the inception of our state, they have not detected any. Maybe they have not gone to the field essentially to check all these illegalities. Right? Hopefully that based on the meeting which we had today, but from tomorrow I have even appealed to them to work sincerely and to see that the general public shouldn't be
maybe the importance of the department had not really sunk in, because this deals with inaccurate. It's the right of every consumer to get what they paid for. If I paid for 1 kg, I should get 1 kg, nothing less. That is the job of this department. Actually, it's a huge job, and it actually should be protecting everybody's interests, especially the ones at the lower income group, because they are the ones who are impacted the most. If they earn 150 and they're paying 50 rupees extra for every item because they have to buy it 2 times, 3 times, because they're not getting 1 kg. So why this has taken some time, I don't know.
Ma'am, do you feel that there is also a need to create massive awareness among the people about all these maintenance requirements and other things?
Yeah, that also we have discussed. That's why we are inviting all of you from the printing press and the electronic media also, that it should go to the knowledge of all the traders and also especially the general public as to create awareness to the general public also, that they should know that this department is working for that. So we appeal to the general public that they should not hesitate to file a complaint to the inspector, to the nearest police station, and especially to us, even to me as a minister. Also, the complete action will be taken in and there, and as per the law, the action will be taken. It will create awareness because nobody, for the last since the inception of the state, they don't go. I mean, like in a sincere manner to check. So the general public also, you go buy from you 1 kg as told by our chief controller, additional secretary. If you buy 1 kg, you pay 1 kg of rice. You pay the 100 rupees, but if you remeasure it in your friend house, you are getting less. Maybe 20% less. So this is happening, but until unless we create awareness, the people will not know about that we have the power, the government have the power through this department to check all these illegalities.
In the past, awareness was done, I'm told, from time to time, but then it was not sustained.
What about surprise checks and all that? Was that done?
They should. Actually, the Act says you should go for surprise inspections. But like the minister has said, and has been brought to his notice by the controller, that this is a severe manpower crunch.